Hello, welcome to lesson 3 of our Unit 0. This is over for assignments. Now, this is kind of a meta lesson in that if you're viewing this video, you probably know some of these things, maybe all of these things, but this is the home for it. Now, remember, you can't self-pace without independence, and that independence requires knowing where lessons are found, where practices are, and where pro checks are. Let's get into it. So, lessons, that's going to be the lessons like these, which will start with a video, some practice assignments or activities, and a mastery check that we call a pro check. Now, Google Classroom and the Classroom tab is where those lessons are going to be found. Stream notifications are turned off. The stream is going to have the occasional thing that I want to tell everybody in the classroom. You will not see the things that you're supposed to do pile up in there because they get super confusing for you, for the person sitting next to you, for me sometimes. And everything you need is going to be organized in the Classroom tab under its own section and unit, easy to go. Each individual assignment is going to be the whole lesson. Any videos associated with it, any practices associated with it if they're digital, and the pro check is associated with it, though it's going to be on paper most of the time. These lessons are going to be grouped, like I said, under a unit topic. You should have seen this already. And I'm posting the entire unit, or at least the entire section, at the start of the unit. So you'll see 4, 8, 10, 12 lessons waiting for you. Not because you can do them all right now. You have a set list of dates to do it on, but they're there for you at your pace. Now, practices, they're mostly paper. Those are going to be in the paper organizers by the chem closet that you could probably look at right now if you're in class. Digital ones are going to be noted in the lesson, either at the end of the slides, if it's could be something you don't need paper for, or it will be attached as its own little document for you to work on. Proficiency or pro checks, are you a pro yet? They're mostly going to be paper. Check in with me, and then we'll have you do the pro check. Remember that everything before this is stuff that you can do with as much support as you need from your peers, from me if necessary, and that's all intended to be as collaborative as we can allow it to be, right? Within reason. But the pro checks are always going to be solo because this is where you prove that you're a pro. If there's any digital pro checks, the lesson will note the digital pro check and possibly include a link to it. Now, this is your digital practice assignment. It's the first one. So in this, you see the little table we have put together for chemistry, physics, engineering. If you're wearing a sweater, jacket, some sort of top on top of your shirt, or you're not wearing one. So just to show that you've watched this video and know how to watch a lesson and follow along, memorize the word that's associated with the class and characteristics you got, and then come tell me. That's it. That's the whole practice. Pretty easy day, huh? All right. You have a great rest of your day.